Good morning.
Your face is all
What?
My face is all oily.
Your face is what?
All oily and sweaty.
That's because we ran out of power. Now, I will be honest and say I can't even pretend to ask for sympathy because, yes, we are on solar. However, there's people here, a lot of people, that they're on CFE, which is the regular government electric company, and they get intermittent power. They've been having it for the last, I think, week and a half, because we're in the midst of summer and everyone blasts their AC nonstop. So it doesn't help. So I'm not asking for sympathy. I'm just saying we're out of power.
Or if you are hooked up to CFE, you do have power, your bill is like $500 US a month. We hear from friends from La Paz, their bills are crazy right now.
But they said now it's more stable at like 300.
I still don't want to be paying 300, okay? So I'll take the sweaty, and then, once our battery's up and throughout the day, we can hide out in our rooms and blast the AC, and we do. So right now we're just sweating until we get our power back up.
The camera that I'm using right now, because I don't keep it charged all the time, use it every now and again, it's at 21%. So even that's running out of power.
My phone is at 6% because I did not charge it last night.
Say it again?
My phone is at 6% because I didn't charge it last night. I did charge TJ's tablet though. His is fully charged.
We took away his tablet privileges, well, probably about 2 weeks ago. So it doesn't really matter. Well, he's watching videos, but he can only watch it in Spanish. That's my give and take, our compromise.
Just like our RV days and our camping days.
We had to dig it out of the
our
tote.
Camp box.
Yeah.
Our camp tote.
Yeah, so I haven't mentioned it yet, but my mom has been here and she's spending a month with us. And so we're running both ACs, but we would have done that anyway.
And TJ's in the middle of our bed.
And you can hear that beeping noise.
Fresh air.
That's the battery telling me, bro, you ain't getting nothing else.
You see that service?
She be messing around. When I get my coffee, I drink it. And my coffee is always hot. She drinks her coffee cold.
I like it cold. It's still too hot for me. So.
And it's still there. An hour later.
I'll usually drink, about an hour later I'll drink it. So if he wakes up before me, he knows not to leave it in the pot. He'll make my coffee and just let it sit on the counter. So if I come out, which usually we're both up early, so it's not like it sits there forever, but.
With the generator running, it's giving me around close to 700 watts is what I'm getting. So nothing close. So the battery's still charging. I want to get away from the beeping.
That doesn't up till like 30 something.
Yeah.
Once it starts beeping, until you get to close to I think 40, it stops. But I get used to it now.
Yeah, you pay a price for making it get into that zone, and once you get there, it's gonna make you remember it and never forget about it again.
Until next week, it does it again. Yeah. So, friends and family, if you're trying to visit, don't come in the summer, okay? Until we figure this out. Come nice and cool time.
Yeah.
No bugs.
I mean, there's only a couple months where we need AC, and that's the biggest pull. I mean, if it wasn't for AC, we would be fine. I did get an estimate though for the cost if I wanted to do CFE, and for that cost, I can't do it yet. Not yet. So
we have a few options that we can try out first to see. So we'll start small first.
Okay, the battery just died, so we're gonna end the video right now because it's in 0%. But thanks for watching. Don't forget
to like, subscribe, and ding that bell for our next.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below.